How do I look? Kind of sparkly this morning, huh? It is your friend in flowers, Lisa Mason Ziegler, dropping in with a special invitation for you today. So if you want to step away from holiday madness for your lunch today, join me for the 12 noon show inside my phone app. And so today I am going on a deep rabbit hole, y'all, on seed starting with soil blocking. How beautiful is this? This is a tray of 100 3/4 inch blocks, a feverfew, ready to go to the garden. Look how healthy and beautiful and happy these are. So today I'll be demonstrating the small blocker, the 2-inch blocker, and the commercial block Swift blockers, the Mini 75 and the Mini 27. So we are like just plowing into 2025 because I'm going to start seeds 2 weeks from now is when we start our farm seed freight train, as I call it. And y'all just loving this filter. I am. It makes me look better than I really am. Totally loving that. Once we starting seeds in January, we just keep on starting seeds till the end of the year, right? I take December off normally. And so that's like 2 weeks away, y'all. So come and learn. I'm going to be making all the blocks. I'm going to show and talk about what I use this for and that for, and what the choices and what I'm kind of thinking about when I'm doing that. So join this show at 12 noon, and I will tell you, you can watch it here on social, or if you want an over-the-top experience as well as be able to participate, I give a giveaway every week, y'all, and it's great. I'm giving away another $25 store credit today. And inside the app, you can sign up to participate in that. You can talk with the other live viewers while it's going on. It's really a lot of fun. The app is free. You can comment app here, and you can or go to your phone's app store, search Gardener's Workshop Shop, and download it. It's free, and the experience is so much better, y'all. We just have a great show lined up for you, and I'm going to get you hankering for the gardening season to start. And I can't wait to see you there. So grab a beverage, get your lunch, block out all the holiday madness. Y'all, I have barely bought any Christmas gifts already. You know, I'm like there with you, right? So meet me at 12 noon Eastern time inside the app. And remember, in the app, you can watch the replays. You can shop there all the time. There's tons of videos and resources. So get the app. It's full of great stuff. Until I meet you in about 1 hour and 20 minutes, friends. See you there. Ciao. Now if I can figure out how to turn it off, y'all.